Hey guys, it's Brock here with Lottery Hall, the best place to go to win big, and everybody is a winner. Today we're going to be showcasing, actually with the help of the Metal Gear Solid 5 video game case, Sock Monkey Money. I do apologize for the quality of this video, but either way, we're going to be taking a look at what we're going to win today. So you can, apparently from a Manchester resident, this has been known to win big. So, and it's only $1. So, you know, how lucky can you get? So, here we go. Looks like we got gems. We have the elephant, 125. And a coconut. Interesting. Got another 20. Another one, 20. We've got a zebra. 2 5s. So obviously I think I have won $10 altogether with the coin, or with 2 5s matching. So, with all due respect, let's scratch to cash. But it's not ending there, because we're going to get another one here. So, get that one done. Looks like I may have won 10 bucks off of that one. So we'll get off this one. A shirt, 20. Another coin for 50. Looks like a chalkboard. It's like, I don't know. You guys think? I really don't know how this works. So, here's a recap. I'm going to take these in later on this evening, to scratch to cash these in. Take a big look, see if I've won anything or not. So, with all due respect, good luck and thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.